Hello everyone, open colab.research.google.com, create a new course cell. Create a list of math scores of 5 students. So scores equal to 80, 70, 40, 99, 90. Suppose we want to print the scores of first student, we'll be using print scores of 0. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80. Suppose we want to print the fourth student score, we'll be using print scores of 3. Scores of 3. It prints 99. Suppose we want to print the last student score, we'll be using print scores of -1. Now we'll run this code and it prints 90. Suppose we want to print first student score, second student score, third student score and fourth student score. We'll be using print scores of 0, 3. Now we'll run this code and it prints 80, 70 and 40. Suppose we want to print third student score to the last student score, we'll be using print scores of 2, no. Now we'll run this code and it prints 40, 99 and 90. Suppose we want to print first student score, second student score, third student score and fourth student score. We'll be using print scores of 0, 4. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80, 70, 40 and 99. Suppose we want to print all the student score, we'll be using print scores of colon. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80, 70, 40, 99 and 90. Suppose we want to print first student score and third student score, we'll be using print scores of 0, 4, 2. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80 and 40. Now, suppose we want to change the student score of fourth student's score to 92. We'll be using scores of 3 equal to 92. Now we'll print scores, print scores. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80, 70, 40, 92 and 90. It changed 99 to 92. Suppose we want to append a student's score. We'll be using scores dot append 85. Now print scores. Scores. Now we'll run this code. It prints 80, 70, 40, 92, 90 and it appended 85. No. Suppose we want to insert a student score at position 0, we'll be using scores dot insert of comma 90 72. Now we'll run this code. Sorry, print score. Now we'll run this code. It prints 72, 80, 70, 40, 92, 90, 85. The values shifted to right. Suppose we want to remove a student score who has 72. We'll be using scores dot remove 72. Now we'll print scores. Print scores. Now we'll run this code. It has removed 72 at the beginning. It prints 80, 70, 40, 92, 90 and 85. Suppose we want to remove a student score at the position, we'll be writing n equal to scores dot pop. It also stores the third student's score. Now we'll print n and we will run this code. It printed 40, which is third student score. Now we will print scores scores. Now we'll run this code. It has removed 40 and prints 80, 70, 92, 90 and 85. Suppose we want to sort the student score. We will be using scores dot sort. Now we'll print scores we will run this code. It is sorted and printed 70, 18, 85, 90 and 92. Suppose we want to reverse the all student score, we'll be using scores dot reverse now we'll print scores. Print scores. Now we'll run this code. It reversed all the student score and prints 92, 90, 85, 80 and 70. Now create a new code cell check scores of 5 students. Scores equal to 80, 90, 24, 56, 74. Now we will use for score in scores. First this will take 80, second 90, third 24, fourth 56 and last it takes 74. Now we'll print them. Score. Print score. Now we'll run this score. First it prints 80, second 90, third 24, fourth 56 and at last it prints 74. Suppose now let us find the average score of score. To find average we need to find the total score of all students. So we'll take a variable total equal to 0. Now we will add all the scores of all students. For that we will use for score in scores. Now we will add them to total. Total equal to total plus score. Now we find the total. Now we will calculate the average. Average equal to total. We will write the formula of the average. Total of length of scores. Now we will print the average. Print AVG. Now we'll run this code. It has printed the average of the scores of the students. To find the maximum score and which student got the maximum score, ఈ స్ట్రక్ అవుతూ వస్తున్నాను అవ్వట్లేదు అసలు.